Today we're talking about Yamaha R9 exhausts. I've got the CRT as well as the SC1-R. Let's open some boxes. And this is the CRT Full System. Got a collector, header, carbon heat protection, as well as the hardware, another header, paperwork, canister, and link pipe, all as one. We've got the CRT system completely laid out here, and we've got the bag of hardware here. This is going to be a schematic as well as a pictorial installation instruction. From there, we've got the titanium headers. Again, this is a full titanium system, so we've got the titanium headers that are going to slip fit into the collector pipe here. Then from there, you've got the welded link pipe, which is going to have a carbon heat guard that is actually going to mount right here. And then you have the CRT canister. And so the CRT canister is kind of that shape that SC Project is known for. This one does have a stone grid or titanium mesh on the exit, and that is designated by the R at the end of the SKU. So this is going to be the Y43 TC36 TR for the titanium, and then we've got the CR for the carbon. So that CR and TR is going to differentiate between a titanium sleeve on the body as well as a carbon sleeve here. On the titanium version, you're going to get a really nice laser etched logo here, nice high contrast there. And then on the carbon version, you're going to get a full color aluminum badge that is riveted to the body. With the CRT, you're going to see a 7 horsepower gain at 9,500 RPM, as well as a 5.5 Newton meter of torque gain at that same 9,500. Now, as this system is a full titanium system, you're going to see significant weight savings versus the stock system. You're going to see weight savings at 10.58 pounds. The CRT is going to come in at 119 decibels at 5,000 RPM. Now, with this system, there is not a dB killer available as there is a titanium mesh, and this is the SC1-R. Again, this is a full system. Got our hanger and hardware, the collector, got a header, and another header. This is the link pipe and the SC1-R canister. Now this is the full SC1-R system completely laid out here. I've got the canister here. This is the hanger. I've got a link pipe here, which is going to slip fit into the canister here. And then this is the collector, which is going to slip fit into the link pipe. And then we've got all 3 heads here, as well as the hardware. Now, taking a little bit closer look at the SC1-R here, it does have that iconic asymmetric shape here where it is a little bit tapered down at the bottom, and that shape was actually derived from the World Superbike paddock where they're looking to achieve maximum lean angle without making any contact with the exhaust. So this shape is actually developed on purpose, and it's kind of one of those things where form follows function. With it being a race system, you do have the option of a removable dB killer. On the carbon sleeve, you're going to see a full color aluminum badge, and then the titanium sleeve is going to have a high contrast laser etched logo instead. Now, clearly this exhaust has a little bit of color on it. This titanium has gone through a bluing process, which is going to happen as you cycle the heat on your exhaust. And this exhaust was actually sent to a race team that we work with so that they could do some benchmark testing on their Yamaha R9s. As far as performance goes, you're going to see a 6.5 horsepower gain at 9,500 RPM with this system. You're also going to see a 4.5 Newton meter gain at that same 9,500. With this system being a full titanium system, you're going to see amazing weight savings at 7.78 pounds when coming from the stock system. And then with the dB killer in, you're going to see 101 decibels at 5,000 RPM. And with the dB killer out, you're going to increase that to 103 decibels at that same 5,000 RPM. The SC1-R system is also available with stainless steel headers instead of the titanium. And that's going to be Y43A TC91C and ATC91T. Now that system is also going to see significant weight savings, and you're going to have 6.1 pounds of weight savings with the stainless system, whereas you have 7.78 pounds with the titanium. While these specific systems are available for the Yamaha R9, SC Project offers these styles in a wide range of motorcycle fitments. Whether you're looking for the raucous nature of the CRT or the race-engineered focus of the SC1-R, SC Project is going to have an exhaust that fits your bike as well as your needs. Here at SC Project USA, we are the North American importer for SC Project, so we're here for you and all of your SC Project exhaust needs.